How to change currency on Kiwi.com. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can uh change currency on Kiwi.com. Changing currency on Kiwi.com is not a difficult task. Just follow me as I show you how to do so in this tutorial. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser and then log in into your Kiwi account just like I have done here. Note that you can use either your web browser or your mobile app. Just ensure you use the one that is more convenient for you. So once you're on your web browser and then you're logged in into your account, you'll be brought to the home page automatically where you would see a series of options by the left side of the screen, such as the Kiwi logo, travel, car, stays, stories, etc. And then by the right side of the screen, you would see the currency icon. You see help and support, your profile icon, profile name, and three dashes. Just navigate through to the currency icon and then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the currency icon, a box will be displayed. In this box, you see the option language and currency. Okay, so this is the language and then this is the currency. For you to change the currency, just click on the arrow under the currency, and then a drop down menu will appear. In this drop down menu, you will see a list of currencies available on Kiwi. So you can just go ahead and select the one you deem fit or the one that you would like to use. Once you've selected it, the currency would be changed automatically. It's that simple. Okay, yeah, and then you save and continue, and that's it. The currency will be changed and the change will be implemented immediately. So if you want wondering on how you can change your currency on Kiwi, just follow these procedures and you'll be fine. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.